How's it going, guys? So today we have the INIU Powerbank. I'm not sure how you say that. INIU. So this model is the B1/B5 and it has a 3-year warranty. So these are the types that you get on Amazon, the ones with the highest reviews. Not sure entirely. I think this is quite a new brand. But from what I've seen so far, it does have quite a lot of good reviews, and a 3-year warranty is good. If that is actually on it, then that is pretty good, because sometimes these power banks can be quite unpredictable. I've had some power banks in the past that have failed within the first year, and you know, the warranty has never been honoured. But yeah, I've not seen one with a 3-year warranty, so that's pretty good. So anyway, this is the box. Capacity on this one supposedly is 20,000 MAH. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so this is the power bank. Underneath, the box is quite good packaging. Underneath we have the cable. That looks like some sort of torch. Got a pouch with the branding on, which is quite cool. It's really nice actually, it's quite a nice material. And then welcome guide. So I'll just move all that out of the way. So welcome guide is just all your standard things telling you how to charge, etc. And giving you a diagram of how it works, which is good. It's always good to know. Again, some power banks I've ordered on Amazon in the past haven't even come with a diagram, so you've been left guessing how to you know, work the basic features, but you won't be left guessing with this one by the looks of it. So that is good. So let's take a look at the power bank itself. Comes in this like soft kind of plastic casing, or wrapper should I say. Okay. So, first impressions are pretty good. It's kind of like, sort of like a pill shape almost. I call it pill shape. It's kind of like got the rounded edges. So imagine a rectangle with rounded edges. It's got like a sort of matte finish, but it's not hard. It's quite smooth, almost like a silicone-y type material. And then up here is a shiny material, all in black. And then here on the side you have, let's see, you have an out 1 and an out 2, so those are the outputs. And then you have an in/out, which is interesting. And then that there looks like some sort of light, some sort of torch perhaps. Right, so I've just unpacked the accessories and they're really well packaged. They come with these little protectors over each USB, which is pretty good. Stop them from being busted or I guess corroded in transit. Not really seen that before on a product either, so that's quite great attention to detail. And that comes on every single USB. So there's the torch and the cable, and then there's a power button on the side that's really discreet. It's so discreet that I almost missed it. It's just right there. Okay, so this is the product on. As you can see, 81%. So let's plug in this little torch and see what that does. Bear with me one moment. Okay, and there you go. It's literally like a cool white or bright white, whatever you want to call it, light. It's actually really bright. It's pretty cool. I mean, I guess you could use that. This would be good when you're, you know, like if you like camping or you spend a lot of time in your car and you don't want to kill off the car battery, situations like that. And I mean, that's running straight off the Powerbanks battery, so if this is 20,000 MAH, this should last for a decent amount of time without you having to worry about it. And you can just literally leave it like that to provide light. So that's a pretty cool feature, actually. I mean, you can get USB lights all day long on the internet to plug into there, but it's nice that this comes with it and that it's got a flexible arm. So that's just another little cool touch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this to 100%. I'm going to use it throughout the day, and then I'll provide a more accurate synopsis on, you know, how this worked out in the field. Oh, and also to turn on the built-in flashlight, I just discovered you've got to double tap the power button. There you go, so you've got that one as well. Let me just turn off the lights quickly. So I'm in a full blackout at the moment. As you can see, that is pretty bright. I'll just give you an example quickly. You'll have no trouble looking at stuff with this. It is honestly a very powerful torch. So that's cool. You could literally just use it like a torch like that. Okay, so I will report back once I have given it some use. So the power bank is fully charged now. It's at 100%. It didn't take that long, and it was charged through the smaller USB port, and technically has 3 inputs because this smaller one is an input and an output. So I'm just going to plug it into the tablet, and as you can see, it's very responsive, comes on immediately, and this will charge multiple devices. So yeah, you'll be able to keep all of your devices fully charged. So far so good. I mean, first impressions are that it looks the part. It feels like a very, it actually does feel like a very premium product. Can't lie, it does feel good in the hand, and functionality, the fact that it has 3 of these ports. Let me just turn that light on there. Yeah, the fact that it has 3 of those, you can see. But yeah, I will be testing this out for the next couple of weeks, so feel free to ask any questions in the comments as usual, and I shall keep everyone updated with the long-term progress. Thanks for watching.